In today's fast-paced business world, a well-functioning workplace is key to success. Effective workplace services management ensures smooth organizational operations. As we've explored, each service plays a vital role. Together, they create a conducive environment for productivity and collaboration. Cleaning services enhance the workplace appearance and contribute to employee health and morale. Maintenance ensures that everything functions optimally. As we delve deeper, it's important to address the impact of communication on service efficiency. Clear lines of communication among teams foster transparency and quick resolution of any arising issues. This approach reduces downtime and keeps productivity high, key to a thriving workplace. Moreover, leveraging technology for communication ensures that everyone stays connected. This can be through instant messaging platforms or dedicated service request applications. One crucial element in enhancing workplace services is employee feedback. Regular surveys provide insights into employee satisfaction. They also motivate staff to contribute to improvement initiatives. When employees feel their voices matter, they are more engaged. This translates to higher productivity and service quality. Additionally, recognizing outstanding service performance encourages a culture of excellence. Implementing reward systems based on employee input fosters a collaborative atmosphere. Individuals take pride in their work and use their skills to innovate processes. By prioritizing feedback, organizations show a commitment to continuous improvement. This ensures the workplace stays adaptive to changing needs and expectations. In summary, a seamless flow of communication and active employee involvement are essential. These are key for workplace services management to thrive. By actively seeking feedback and recognizing achievements, organizations improve service quality. They also cultivate an environment where employees feel valued. As we move forward, integrating these principles can enhance workplace effectiveness. This drives both satisfaction and performance across teams. Together, let's commit to implementing these strategies and fostering a culture of responsiveness and collaboration. Thank you for exploring the vital components of workplace services management alongside us today. As we conclude our exploration of workplace services management, it's crucial to recognize the synergy between services. This creates a harmonious work environment. By investing in effective management strategies, organizations enhance operational efficiency. They also foster employee satisfaction and engagement. This holistic approach ultimately paves the way for a thriving workplace culture that promotes success. Thank you for joining us to explore the key services that keep workplaces running smoothly. Keep striving for excellence in your own facilities' operations and stay tuned for more insights. In summary, effective workplace services management is more than a series of tasks. It is a vital strategy that shapes workplace culture. It also ensures both operational success and employee well-being. We appreciate your engagement. We hope you'll join us for future discussions on improving workplace environments. In the next video, we will discuss about lease types and property management. Be sure to stay connected with us to receive the latest updates, insights, and opportunities for engagement. Thank you.